Have a nice area exposed here. You got some disseminated mineral in here, mostly pyrite with some chalcopyrite. And it's hosted in a schistose rock here. This is a chlorite schist. You have quartz stringers throughout it and in the foliations of the schists. Right here, this is a deteriorated quartz vein, fairly vuggy, and you can tell that there's some iron sulfides in it. Right here is a hunk that we pulled off. A little bit of mineral there. You can see all the vugs there where mineral used to be. So this big hunk here was all quartz we pulled off. And now it's all down here. So we're going to hammer into this a little bit and see what comes out of this. This right here is all iron pyrite. So right over where he is there is that quartz vein showing. And over here, we're just about at the angle of where he's hammering. And you can see how oxidized this is as well. You have quartz right there. You got mineralization all in here. More quartz here, deteriorated. Probably part of the same vein structure. More iron sulfides there. So you have it exposed in two areas. Here's a couple samples from that first exposure. Mostly iron pyrite. It's kind of typical for this. You'll see a lot of iron pyrite veins which don't have a ton of value, but you also have a lot of chalcopyrite that makes its way up. And generally you find the pyrite at a shallower depth on this property, so chances are there's something a bit better there because we are seeing a little chalcopyrite in here. But let's go take a look at this little area right here. We just took a sample off right here. Pure iron sulfides, some quartz on the side. So there's loads of quartz float all over the place, and it's coming from somewhere in the bank along here, right next to that showing. And here's a typical piece of your quartz. A lot of it's barren, or a lot of it has iron sulfides like you just saw the other showing, but the occasional one is mineralized with really nice chalcopyrite. So a vein in this area that we've had tested shows really good gold, really good copper, 20% copper, and a couple 100 grams a ton silver. So good sign that this is in this area, because there's probably multiple of these veins. There's some more samples right below the outcrop that we just found. Mostly pyrite with minor chalcopyrite. We have our last sample here. More chalcopyrite and quartz. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Short video, I know. Got a late start today, but thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.